Hi, I'm Kelly Armetta, and today I'm going to show you how to make jerk crab. Today we're going to be using Alaskan king crabs, which can span about 5 feet. Pretty exciting stuff, these crabs. So get your pan good and hot. Put some oil in the pan, starts to splatter a little bit. And now very gently put your crab legs in here. Next you're going to add some ginger, slices of ginger. Some jerk seasoning. What's going to give a wonderful flavor on the seasoning is that as it starts to toast up, so notice I turned them upside down and I re-seasoned them again. Now a lot of seasoning doesn't go inside the crab claws, but it's more when you open them up, they start to drizzle in. So a little bit more on the salt and pepper again. Now for the lime juice. So here's your options right now. After you sauteed everything and season the crab, you could take it at this point and put them on your barbecue. Or you could take them at this point and add some water and pop them in the oven. So as you put this in the oven, throw some thyme in it and finish cooking them in the oven for about 10 minutes. After you take your crab out of the oven, gently put it in the bowl here. And you're going to put some butter, some parsley. Then don't forget the beautiful juice that you cooked all the crab in, with the ginger and the thyme. And gently toss it around. So if you're making these in the house and you want to put them in your oven, you can do so. But the best way to do them and enjoy them is out on the barbecue.